Hi guys, let's unbox our Super Mario Lego Build and Play Work with expansion, and it's going to be a first starter kit from Team Super Mario. So I bought this at toy store, and it's going to be very great after. So let's do this. Let's do the unboxing. So let's see here. This is 4, 7, 5, 6, and we have the number 1 suit, and I don't know to see what's inside, and number 2 we have the manual, and number 3 and of course I don't know what's this for. For it's a pen, and of course we have these how to build. It's a guarantee about the Lego, and this one is going to be on this, so it's going to be this one. So let's start building. And this is number 1, and let's open. What's inside? It's going to be Peach is here. Hi Peach. And of course there's no battery yet, so for today's video we will just set up the Peach. So what you need to do is, because the Peach and some tools and battery. So let's start assembling Peach. So they have to touch it. Hang on. So, this is an electronic Lego. On. Yes, it's at the back, and you need 2 batteries, so should be plus on. Yes, it's, you have to have this and that one, and of course let's put it back. Let's put it back. And then we have the number 1 You have to put the suit of number 1. Let's put the crown on. That's the crown. And then put the here. And the ears, to put the ears, the 2 ears. So this one is going to be extra, I think. And then I don't know where this one's for. Probably it's for if I want. So I think it's ready. Ready to play. I have to turn on. Hello, Peach time. See you later. I like it. So Peach is ready. Number 1 is done. And then let's proceed for number 2. But I think let's continue the building next video. Thank you for watching. Oh, I like Peach. She's so cute. I have to turn on. Look. It's blinking. Looking, that's really nice. So, what do you think? See you next building. For building, we will do the building number 2. That's going to be the next video. Bye bye. Stay